Hello,
네,
beautiful
여러분
people.
반갑습니다.
Welcome to
스위스에 오신
Switzerland. I
것을
hope you're having an
환영합니다.
amazing
오늘
day.
하루도 잘
It's so
보내고
amazing
계신가요?
here. I love it
스위스
here.
너무
We're
마음에
going to jump into the charts.
드네요. 비트코인 차트 한번 살펴보면서 앞으로 시장이 어떻게 변화할지 분석해 보도록 하겠습니다. 이 산과 마을들 좀 보세요. 너무 귀엽지 않나요? 너무 예쁩니다.
Amazing. We're going to jump into the charts.
네, 그럼
Bitcoin's
차트에
still not
들어가
looking good in my opinion, 33K, but we're going to see on the technicals. The thing is, down here, it becomes dangerous to start to wait. What I'm going to do is start laddering into Bitcoin. I still think you can go to 29, even worst case, maybe 20K, but the thing is, as soon as it touches down there, people are really going to just pile in. So you're going to have a crazy spike up, even back to 40K, 50K. It would be insane once it gets to a point where everyone thinks now Bitcoin is too cheap and they start piling in. So it's actually dangerous to just try to catch that exact moment. Better to start laddering in. All coins I still think have more to drop. CRV is something that I'm liking to pick up because the value of it is actually real. It's $1 billion market cap, but it has $20 billion locked inside its protocol. A lot of the other projects, they're not really, maybe they're building, but they don't really have that big valuation yet. So we're going to look at Bitcoin, I'm going to look at the total market cap of all cryptos, and I'm going to look at CRV. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. I've been investing for 20 years. I started technical analysis at 14 years old. I'm a multi-millionaire. I'm a venture capitalist, so I VC and invest in a lot of big crypto projects. I'm a founder of a crypto project, MCRT, which I'm going to show you some of the new drawables. It's a play-to-earn game. Play-to-earn industry is $300 billion. Gaming industry is $300 billion a year, and that's going to move into crypto. And that's why I'm making this play-to-earn game. It's going to be a bridge for new money transfer of wealth. And it's going to start coming from play-to-earn. It's going to be massive. There's 3 billion gamers in the world, 200 million people using crypto. So it's going to be big. That's what's going to make crypto really mainstream. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. Straight into Bitcoin on the daily. This was good, these two candles the last 2 days, even though they were massive drops. We had these big spikes, these kind of wicks down, but big recoveries, right? On this day, we went down to 35, big recovery. On this day, we came to a low of 35,200 and then big recovery. That's actually a good sign. I closed my short yesterday if you followed my video. Why? Because that means we're getting support here. It's coming down but wicking back up. On the daily, stochastic is very oversold but still trying to head down, but it's getting very oversold. MACD is also oversold and crossing. I need to add back the RSI indicator, which I'll do in the next video. On the daily, we're way below the EMA ribbon, so it's oversold Bitcoin. Usually it should come back towards the EMA ribbons. At 33,900, we have massive support. And what I think is going to happen is I think we're going to touch this and have this big wick back. And that's going to cause a triple bottom formation, and that's actually a bottoming sign. But at the moment, there is still two massive supports, 33,900 and 31,000. Again, the thing is, if you try to catch this 31,000, maybe it even comes lower, even to 19. But the problem is, as soon as it touches here, people are going to go, okay, now Bitcoin is cheap. At some point, everyone's going to put in their minds that this is too cheap for Bitcoin, and they're going to start piling in all their money. And that's when I expect a big rebound. VPVR, we don't have much support down here. The next big support area is 33 and 34,000. Crypto Guru bot is still showing a sell. It hasn't fired a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot did fire a buy recently. It fired a buy on the daily. You can see here it hasn't fired a sell again. So that's something interesting. The super trend seems to be starting. It's still dropping. It's still a sell area. That's on the daily. Let's go into the 4 hourly. 4 hourly, stochastic oversold turning to head up. MACD oversold trying to cross. Interesting. The only thing is volume is dropping. So on the weekend, I think we could have one big final drop. At 33,900, I'm going to start buying a lot of Bitcoin, and at 31,000, that's when I'm going to pile in millions of dollars if it can get down there. Crypto Guru bot still firing a sell. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy down here on the 4 hourly, which is interesting. I was short here, but it's too dangerous to be short in my opinion. Again, at one point, everyone's going to go, Bitcoin is too cheap and start piling in millions of dollars. And that's the point that you want to already have Bitcoin. So I think these two targets, 33,900 I'm going to add and 31,000. I don't think it even can get to 29,000. It is possible because the stock market got hit so badly. Tech stocks getting wiped out, Facebook down 50 or 60%, Apple down quite a bit, Tesla down a huge amount, 40% or something like this. So that's why I think Bitcoin has the potential to come down to this $30,000 area. But again, once it goes too cheap in people's minds, it's just going to be like, okay, Bitcoin is cheap, pile in millions and millions of many people around the world's money. They're going to be like, okay, now I've got the chance. They waited for Bitcoin at 70,000. They were like, oh, I can't buy it, it's too expensive. At some point, it's going to flip in people's minds. Now Bitcoin is too cheap. And that same thing that that happened when we had that big drop from 70K is going to happen, but on the reverse upwards. So again, that's when I want to already be having Bitcoin. So you could try to catch the bottom, but I'm going to start laddering in soon. 33,000, 31,000. If it drops down lower, that's when I'm going to really pile in. But already at 33, 31, that's when I want to start adding into Bitcoin positions. I would actually go long here with very low leverage as well, because you could go big long here and not have a very low liquidation price. You can't do multiple X though. You could only do maybe 4 times or 5 times leverage. And then at this point, your support, your stop loss will be below these support areas, below 29K. 27,600 is a super safe bet. But then I could take a mega long to go back to all-time highs for Bitcoin for the long-term trade. And that gives an amazing risk-to-reward ratio trade. You're risking $8,200 to make $33,000, a 4.1 ratio. But that way I can pile into a lot of Bitcoin. To open trades, if you want to trade, the main exchange I'm using to buy Bitcoin altcoins is Bybit down below in the description and pin comment. So if you go underneath this video on your phone in the description and the pin comment, you can see the video, and then on your phone down below, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Click the join button to see my live trades. You used to get notified live when I buy stocks, when I buy Bitcoin, when I buy altcoins. You get live notifications by clicking join on your phone through YouTube. And Bybit trading. So this is the link. This is the exchange that I use. Bitcoin trading on Bybit. You get a sign-up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. You need to deposit Bitcoin to get the bonus, and NordVPN for any restrictions. And to learn everything I do, technical analysis, what crypto markets are, how to trade them, my mentalities about crypto, you can take the Crypto Master course. I have more than 6,000 students taking my courses, and you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram. There's many people there on those exchanges. Over on Bybit, on those social networks, I have almost $203,000 US dollars. And it's nearly all cash. It's 176, it's all cash almost. I have no Bybit long or shorts open, and I've got all cash, so I'm getting ready to start buying up Bitcoin here. I'm going to set orders now, so I can set and forget. So I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin at 33,900. I'm going to set orders for him now. These are limit orders. So now if Bitcoin comes to 33,900, it's going to buy 1 Bitcoin. I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin at $31,000. 31,000. If it can get that low, maybe it goes even lower, but I'm going to buy 1 Bitcoin down there. I'm going to buy a Bitcoin at 29,000 if it can go that low. So I'm setting orders. That's 3 Bitcoin. So I've got a Bitcoin of three different orders set. I'm going to also buy one at 30. I'll buy another one at 33,000 if it gets that low, because I think there'll just be a big bounce back anyway. So I'll buy 2 Bitcoin at 33,900. So I've got now 2 Bitcoin buying at 33,900, 1 Bitcoin buying at 29,000, 1 Bitcoin buying at 31,000. I'm going to buy another one at 29,000, because if it does spike down there, people will just pile in and I'll get a big rebound anyway. Buy Bitcoin. So those are my orders set. I'm going to buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Bitcoin at those order prices. I set those orders on Bybit. Again, if you want to use that exchange, underneath the video, down below, you can see the link to Bybit. You get a $4,100 sign-up bonus when you sign up to Bybit. That's my theories. Let's look at what's going to happen to the Ethereum next and see what that is telling us. I also really like CRV, and BNB Bit is also something I really like. Good opportunity to buy them when Bitcoin comes down. Ethereum did break that main trend line, so the next target for Ethereum is $2,400, and it does look like it is going to come down there. It looks like we could be having a big drop though, so any buyers on Ethereum, it looks like we really look how the EMAs are turning down, and with the way the stock market is acting, we could actually go in a big recession. So I'm going to remove that order at 33,900. I'll make it half a Bitcoin just to buy it and sell the bounce. 33,900. Sorry, 33,900. That will just, I'm going to buy half a Bitcoin just to buy it and sell the bounce, because the way the market is at the moment, it doesn't, like, it can really pull back. And then I'm just going to buy it expecting bounces, but at some point I'm trying to catch, add a lot to my position, and I'll convert millions. This is just one of my accounts with 200,000, 203,000. I have millions on the sidelines in US dollars, USDT. If you follow my videos, I sold most of my positions in November. I still hold a lot of altcoins because I'm a venture capitalist, so they're vesting over the years. Magicraft, I haven't sold any, but it does look like the market Ethereum is going to pull back to 2,460. That's an excellent time, a place to be buying Ethereum as well. I'm also going to set an alert. I teach you how to do this in the crypto course. So I've got an alert set. It will alert me when it gets down there. I'm also going to set alerts for Bitcoin at those main positions. So I'm going to set an alert here at 33,900. Add alert. I'm going to add an alert here at 31,000. And I don't think it's possible to go down that low, but if it does go lower, another support will be here at the 29,000. But again, as soon as it touches there, there's going to be a big bounce back. Even if it goes much below later, at that point, there'll be just a huge buying pressure. So again, trading on Bybit, sign up bonus 4,100. That's what I'm doing in the markets, everyone. Let's see what pictures my team sent me. My team is more than 100 people. This is me. This was today, looking at some ponies in the mountains. Subscribing to this channel is the best decision of my life. James, aka Nostradamus, just technical analysis. This is one of the characters coming to life. This was the 2D drawing of the character from Magicraft, and this is the 3D creation of this character. It looks epic. Very cool looking mage. Hey James, I see a lot of haters here. Please keep making videos. Don't let them put you down. We need you in the crypto community. All the love. Thank you, Alex. This is Magicraft. Some of the characters from Magicraft coming to the 2D drawings coming to life. Epic designs by the studios. This is the some of the Magicraft team, smart contract developers. There's more than 100 of us now, and that's beautiful. This is a nice design from the Magicraft world. 33,000 subscribers on Twitter now, which is amazing. Mega whitelist campaign for the Magicraft NFT Genesis collection. Make sure you pay attention to that. You can go to magicraft.io to follow what's happening. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what I think is happening in the crypto markets. That's some updates on Magicraft. Hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Group, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.